What's up, Madlang people? Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Before we start, first, I just want to invite you guys to join my membership club. There's a join button down there that you can click and check. There's a little bit change in price. It's a lot more affordable. And of course, mega shout out to all my members. Mega shout out to the gorgeous royal family, Just Chilling with Jay and Sexy Nurse. Also for the gorgeous family, Ishkad TV, Arvin's Project, Davis Corner, and my super chatter, Ron Jerry Galvat. I'm gonna list them all in my description down below. Please subscribe to their channels as well. Support the gorgeous family, the gorgeous clan. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, there's so much more room for the gorgeous family. Welcome to my kitchen again. I'm back to my kitchen. My son is done with his cooking. He actually helped me. He's my sous chef now. I'm again the master chef. So for today, it's gonna be easy cooking. Fast, even less than 10 minutes, guys. So yeah, this is a good recipe if you don't know what to do, you don't have a lot of time, and it's like a quick preparation and quick cooking. So what it is, it's a garlic shrimp recipe. It's so quick, it's so easy, and it's so yummy. So yeah, I'm gonna list all the ingredients. I'm gonna show you my ingredients for now, and then we'll go start cooking after. Of course, what we need are the shrimp. This is a medium-sized shrimp, 21 to 25 pieces. It's peeled, so you don't have a lot of time, so this is the perfect time for you to use. All right, all clean, right? All right, this of garlic. My son peeled it and chopped it for me. Here you go. I'm happy my son is so big now, he can help in my cooking. So just a little bit of cherry tomato to taste. I actually just harvested it from my backyard. And we will need lemon, one of my favorite ingredients. Paprika, we will need paprika as well. And some crushed pepper, a little bit of butter, and olive oil. So I love olive oil. It's like there's like kind of like a good blend between the olive oil and shrimp. And of course, freshly harvested herbs. This is parsley and basil. So I got it from my hydroponics and the one from outside as well. Without further ado, let's get started. So the shrimp is already deveined and peeled, so it's easy for me to cook. Let's get started. Here you go, let's start. So you would need a lot of olive oil. And then add a teaspoon of butter as well. This chopped garlic. So good. Smells so good. My son chopped them really good. Finally. And then add a teaspoon of crushed garlic, or as per your preference. Mix well. Then add the cherry tomato. Mix, and cook them. I normally crushed the tomato, and then I add, that's about a teaspoon of paprika. And then keep on mixing. So yeah, I'm crushing the tomatoes, so it kind of like burst the flavor with it. Then add the shrimp. I apologize for the lighting, guys. So I did turn on my ring lights, so it kind of like I missed looking at it, so it's kind of like too bright. But yeah, you get the gist. Add the shrimp and keep mixing. Just keep mixing, and don't forget to add the salt and pepper to taste. Yeah, I love salt and pepper. And then next up is our freshly harvested herbs. This one I mixed the basil and parsley together. my son chopped it again for me. So happy I have a sous chef now. Of course, it's not complete without lemon. And it's done. Yum, yum, yum. It's not complete without the taste. You can see I paired it with quinoa, something healthy, and with my yummy garlic shrimp. So let's see. Taste. So good, guys. The shrimp. So good. It's bursting with flavor. So tasty and so yummy and quick and easy. Let me just finish this. I'm so full now, guys. It's so good and it's so yummy. So hope you like this video. Hope you give it a try. If you have no recipe to think of and you want something quick and easy and yummy, try to think of my recipe. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel down below. And if you have any questions, anything that you want me to try, a recipe you want, comment down below. And don't forget to smash the notification bell so you won't miss anything that I've uploaded. So after I recorded this video, the gorgeous tribe grew, and welcome to my newest member, of course, BFF Ronjay Gabat, Saf's Vlogs, Jeffaben Online, and my Mix TV. Mega shout out to you guys. And of course, mega love, mega shout out to my super chatters, Zenki Ajadar, Ishka TV, Arvin's Project, Just Chilling with Jay, Josh Macolet's Vlogs, Debbie's Corner. And the list keeps going and going. Mega love, mega shout out, Familia de Estrada, BFF, Roger Goblet, Just Chilling with Jay, Miraflor, Constantino, Arvin's Project, and Cici, Absi, Road Trip. And continue po ang blessings. Mega love, mega shout out, Yen's Kitchen, BFF, Ronji Gabat, my mga katimbas. They are super supportive. And of course, Arvin's Project again. And look at Just Chilling with Jay. The support is just overflowing. Mega love, mega shout out sa iyo, Just Chilling with Jay. And it's not done yet, guys. Mega love, mega shout out, my katimba, Just Chilling with Jay, BFF Ronjay Gabat, Saxy Nurse. Apat po kami dyan, the 4 Katimba 2.0. Mega love, mega shout out sa inyo dyan. And as I always say in my live stream, from the gorgeous tribe, hanapin ang katribo at mahalin ng todo. In English, find your tribe, guys, and love them hard. Love, love, love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Balik, balik, balik. Have a blessed day. Bye.